Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Snap Assist for faster multitasking. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on System. Now go to Multitasking. Here you can see the option of Snap Windows. You just have to turn on this button. If you turn on this button, you can use Snap Assist for faster multitasking. You just have to shake on it. So this is how you can use Snap Assist for faster multitasking in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.